Hey everyone, so today we're going to be doing question 30 from the past paper link down below. It says that part of a running track is the arc of a semicircle joined to a straight line. The semicircle has diameter 45 meters. The straight line has length 75 meters. Says it's not drawn accurately. And then we obviously have the visual of the 75-meter straight line. And then we have the diameter, which is kind of the height of the semicircle, the way it's drawn. It then says Abby runs once along this part of the track in 18 seconds. Work out her average speed, give your answer to two significant figures, and this is a 4-mark question. So we need to work out the length of the rest of the track. We know the straight line part is 75 meters, but we don't know the length of the curved part of the track. We just know its height or diameter. So the circumference of a circle, that's the distance around the whole circle, is equal to pi times diameter. Obviously we're not working with a full circle, we're working with a semicircle. So if we find the distance around a whole circle, we can just divide it by 2 and that will give us the distance around a semicircle. So the circumference of the whole circle would be pi times 45 meters because we're just doing pi times diameter. So that's going to give us 45 pi meters. And then we're going to divide it by 2 because we're working with a semicircle. So 45 pi meters over 2 is 22.5 pi meters. Great. So the total distance is going to be 75 meters because that's the straight line, plus the distance of the semicircle, which is 22.5 pi meters. And that's just going to be 75 plus 22.5 pi meters. We'll just keep it like that for now. Next up, we use the fact that speed is equal to distance divided by time. So these are things that you're just going to have to kind of learn or remember, and you might think, okay, well, we have the distance and the time now, so we can work out the speed because we're asked to work out the average speed. So this is going to be equal to distance over time, which is 75 plus 22.5 pi meters divided by 18 seconds. Obviously a bit of a difficult distance, but just make sure you put it into the calculator correctly and it should be fine. This is going to give us 8.09365, etc, etc. Now we're asked to give it to two significant figures. So two significant figures, it wouldn't be 8.09 because once you get the significant figure, the other figures start counting as significant figures, if that makes sense. So if we had to write this to two significant figures, we would be writing it as 8.1. So the answer is going to be 8.1 meters per second. So there are a couple of components to that question. So if you want me to go into any more detail about any part of it, just leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to get back to you there. Best of luck with all your maths and thanks for watching.